Whoa, yo, oh my, dude.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
Has your car been introduced to the 3 parking lot villains? Dents, dings, and damage? Well, you have 3 options when this occurs. 1, you can go to the fast and friendly dent shop. With their magical and paintless process of fixing your car in less than 1 day. Or you can take your car to a body shop where the results may be less than desirable. Give you a big bill and ruin your car's value. Or 3, you can just roll with the damage.
Oh my God.
I'll pick option 1.
Okay.
Do what smart people do and take your car to Dent Shop. They can fix your problems in less than 1 day.
Hey.